we've been going out and I'll get a martini with dinner, and tracking my food on the weekends just shows you how quickly something like a martini can add up, as well as dessert at a restaurant, and add in some chips and add in some cereal and mini peanut butter cups from the refrigerator. And yeah, I'm getting pretty close to 3,000 calories on a Saturday. So for me, the weekends are really what trip me up. So if you're somebody that's in the same boat, maybe instead of tracking Monday through Friday when you're mostly on track, you're doing kind of the same things over and over, track the weekends. I feel like that is really insightful, and it has given me a lot of good information and clues and strategy as far as like what to do with my diet on the weekends. So I'm not blowing up my week every single week, because I just feel like the weekends I get so, I don't want to say off track, because I don't like saying that. It's just how I'm living on the weekends, but I'm just probably going overboard with a lot of the not so healthy things. That's protein is definitely a priority. And then carbs and fat, I kind of just let them fall where they may.